Meet the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, where iconic design meets next-gen power. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering ultra-smooth performance whether you're multitasking or gaming. You get a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, enough muscle and space for everything you need and more. On the outside, the Razr 60 Ultra stuns with its 7.0-inch AMOLED main display, silky smooth with a 165Hz refresh rate, and vibrant colors that bring everything to life. Capture sharp shots with a dual 50-megapixel rear camera setup and a 50-megapixel selfie camera. Stay powered throughout the day with the 4,700 mAh battery and quickly recharge using 68-watt wired or 30-watt wireless charging capabilities. The Razr 60 Ultra is fast, flexible, and designed to stand out.